Today, we're on the Caloosahatchee River with Ana Silva from the Boathouse at Cape Coral, taking a closer look at the 2025 282 Open by Sportsman boats. This center console is built for adventure, making it the perfect choice for exploring Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Sanibel, Captiva, and all of Southwest Florida's top boating destinations. Let's dive in and see what makes this boat stand out.
I'm Ana Silva with the Boathouse, and I want to welcome you aboard the Sportsman 282 Open. If you're cruising around Southwest Florida, you've probably seen this beauty on the water. It's a super popular 28-foot center console that's all about family-friendly lifestyle, serious performance, and ready for all your fishing adventures. Let's talk specs before we dive in deeper. With a length of 28 feet 5 inches, plenty of room for everyone, a beam of 9 feet 10 inches, a fuel capacity of 230 gallons, a hull draft of 23 inches, easy to get in and out of shallow spots, and a dry weight of 7,224 pounds, sturdy but not too heavy for easy handling. Let's start at the bow. You have a through-stem windlass anchor that's easy to use, making sure you can safely drop anchor wherever you need to. And there is a panel for easy access to your road, so there is no messing around. The seating up front is perfect for hanging out with family and friends. And with a press of a button, a recessed platform pops up to create a sun lounge or a table. How awesome is that for everyone to relax or have a snack on the go? Let's head to the console. There is plenty of room between the console and the gunnel, so you have easy, spacious walkway throughout both sides of the boat. Now onto the helm. This is where the magic is gonna happen. These Garmin 16-inch GPSs with built-in Wi-Fi has everything you need. Sonar, Seakeeper ride system, monitoring, and so much more. You've got a Yamaha autopilot, windlass switch, a Fusion radio with JL audio speakers, a Garmin VHF, phone chargers, and plenty of storage. And check out the T-top. It is the largest in its class, so you're covered no matter what the weather brings. These captain's chairs are adjustable. Forward, backwards, with the bolster and armrest allows for ultimate comfort. And the space between the bolsters and the consoles gives you a perfect driving position whether you're standing up or sitting. And don't worry about your batteries. You have full access with them at no hassle. Your battery switches as well are convenient on the side of the leaning post. Now let's cruise back to the prep station. You've got a sink, a cutting board, tons of tackle storage to keep all your gear organized and ready to go for whatever fish you're targeting. The distance between the prep area and the aft is perfect for smooth movements around the boat when you're in the heat of a fishing frenzy. And speaking of fishing, the twin pressurized 30-gallon live wells and twin 140-quart in-deck fish boxes makes sure you've got all the space you need for your next catch. What I absolutely love about this boat is the dual dive doors. Whether you're jumping in for a swim or coming in with a catch, this makes getting in and out of the boat so easy. It's perfect for everyone. Access and convenience are key, and the bilge is a breeze to get into. There is space for a 5-gallon bucket, beach chairs, and all the extra gear you need. Plus, you can easily reach all your pumps and equipment. Now let's talk about the transom swim platform. It is huge. This makes it so easy and safe to get on and off the boat, especially when you're accessing these powerful twin Yamaha 300s. The Sportsman 282 Open is all about performance, comfort, and making memories. Whether you're out fishing, cruising, or hanging out with friends, this boat has got you covered. Thanks for coming along on this tour of the 2025 Sportsman 282 Open. I'm Ana Silva with the Boathouse, and for more information on the Sportsman boats, please give us a call here at the Boathouse. We hope to see you on the water soon.